Hi, man.
Nice to have you.
Hi.
Welcome, Talha.
Hi.
Great. So, have a seat. How was that applause? That was a good start.
Was perfect. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So, you both feel comfortable so far?
Yes, we are fine.
Going well.
So, tell us a bit about what you do and why you're here today.
Okay, so my name is Weiher. I'm a project manager for digital solution at Schuler. And Schuler is a press manufacturer who has expanded his field with software developing for digital products.
Okay. And you?
And I'm Talha Ozer, area owner of app development experience at Siemens Industrial Edge. And my area is mainly responsible for providing all necessary tools to develop industrial edge applications.
So, the talk is basically about digitalization, digital solutions. This is, in a way, it's nothing new. We've been talking about it forever, and still it is basically what everybody is talking about today. Nevertheless, it just keeps on evolving. What did you at Schuler actually do to leverage and also use IoT technology, digitalization, by digitalizing the press shop, right? That was the thing, and turning it into a smart factory. And maybe you can tell us how this correlates with Siemens.
Okay, of course. At first, our goal has ever been to increase the productivity and efficiency of our machine. We recognize that digitalization offers great potential for this, and we start early on bringing together all our digital products to our digital suite. The digital suite is our central platform where our customer can find everything they need to put together their solutions. With the digital suite, you can just digitize one machine or a complete factory. I will give you an example. We have connected 9 different machines at a Siemens plant. We have implemented there several solutions. So the customer can choose in the digital suite what he needs, and we deliver it. Like I said, we implemented there our Schuler machine applications, and also we send the raw data to their own network for their own solutions.
Okay, so what does this mean in regards to the interaction with the customer? I assume this is not business as usual.
No. We at Schuler, we have over 118 years of experience in press manufacturing, and we have a lot of know-how in this field. And we have extended this with software development for digital products. And so that's special. We can offer a complete package to our customer. You know, we have the mechanical engineers. He knows how to place a needed sensor. We have a lot of electrical engineers. They know everything about bits and bytes. And this can go up to a high-end level programmer who knows how the cloud system is running. So maybe you can say it's all-inclusive if you want to.
Just listening to that again, 118 years of history, that's always amazing to hear how long these companies have been around. So maybe you can tell us how this comes together. How should I imagine this coming together? Like a puzzle piece, I suppose. Where do you basically start off?
Okay, when we started, everyone was talking about clouds and platform. And if you talk about that, you have to talk about edge computing, because edge computing is the only way to get the data from the machine into the system as raw or already refined data. And that's an important point. With edge computing, you can combine the security guidelines from IT with the flexibility demanded by OT. Yeah, and that's why we're looking for a strong partner.
And that's where you come into play.
Yeah, and Siemens wants to be exactly this partner. Our customers always face the problem of make versus buy. And with Industrial Edge, we provide interoperability and compatibility while offering an open ecosystem for partners. And this way, our customers can really focus on their digitalization efforts while we take care of the rest by bringing the best of IT and OT together.
So obviously Siemens has established itself as an expert also when it comes to industrial edge over the last couple of years. But in the end, one must ask, was it a make or break to actually go for industrial edge and not go with any other solution? Why not any other solution?
Okay, at first, Siemens and Schuler have been working together for a long time.
Right.
And when we first met the industrial edge team, the chemistry fits. Of course, we are customer and suppliers, but the relationship is more collegial. You know, both parties want to drive digitalization forward and also put the customer satisfaction in the center. But the main arguments are being able to manage devices and application, and also the concept of using standard apps and write your own apps. That suits us very well. And that's why we go with Siemens Industrial Edge and, of course, with Mendix.
And from your perspective?
Yeah, and that's exactly what Industrial Edge is for, actually. With our modularized microservice architecture, we want to support customers with best possible flexibility At the same time, we want to provide them a state-of-the-art management solution. By that, the customer can really focus on what they are really good at, which is delivering value to their customers. And with Mendix, it will be even much more easier in the future to develop applications for the shop floor.
App development with Mendix is a good point. Low-code platforms are a current hot topic, obviously. Why is low-code the way to go for Schuler, and why did you choose Mendix?
Yes, as I already mentioned, we are a press manufacturer and we are closer to the OT space and not pure software developer. Of course, we have software developer, but mainly in the field of automatic technology. And with Mendix and the concept of the citizen developer, we are able to involve these colleagues in app development. And those are the colleagues who have the domain knowledge. And thanks to the large number of modules and the fact that the apps are easy to deploy and also to make them apps, we can stay focused on content and not on frameworking. So that's what the customer wants. They want content.
Yeah, well, Mendix is the leading low-code platform. And we also would like to give our customers the possibility to build the applications they really need. Therefore, it was a no-brainer for us to bring Mendix capabilities closer to Industrial Edge. By democratizing the app development and bringing together the experts, users, and developers, we are actually closing the gap between IT and OT.
Okay, so if we try to summarize this in a nutshell, basically digital offerings are a key differentiator. Industrial grade central management is needed in your case also, and Mendix is the right tool.
Exactly, yes.
Exactly.
Okay,
Very well
all right.
summarized.
Now, I guess in the end, what is more to come in the future? I mean, what are your plans together?
At first, with the digital suite and the highly adaptable technology behind our solution, we are looking forward to offer new solution to meet our customer requirements and helping to solving their challenges.
Yeah, exactly. We will be working more on improving the integration of these two platforms, and we see a lot of potential for the future for this partnership, actually.
So besides that, how is it going so far on the stand? I mean, you've been here obviously the entire week. I know you have. Have you been together there the entire week so far?
I arrived on Monday.
I just arrived today, actually.
You just arrived today?
And
really?
Tomorrow I will be.
And you?
On Monday. You hear it on my voice, I guess.
So you've been having a lot of talks, obviously, with clients.
Yes,
right?
It was awesome.
Right? What was it? Yeah. Tell us a bit about some of the highlights so far this week.
I met very interesting people from all over the world. Every country is a bit different. Every customer is a bit different. I got a lot of new impression, and I hope I also help Siemens and Mendix to show what you can do and what you can reach when you go with Siemens and Mendix.
Taking a look at this plan right here, we see where you are located at. It's not all too far. Station 75, which is really just right around the corner over there. So again, if anybody has any other questions, feel free to approach both of you.
Absolutely.
All right?
Yeah, come and meet us.
All right. So with this, we'd like to close it and say thank you very much for joining us. And I think they both deserve a big round of applause. Don't you agree? Let's go for it. Thank you, gentlemen.
You're welcome.
It's been a pleasure having you.
Thank you.
And enjoy the rest of your day.